So this group of stretches is really lovely to open up the spine, a lot of the time the mid-back, the neck, and it's going to help you feel so much better through your body. Make sure that you're listening to your body as you do this and only ever moving as comfortable. All you need is your mat, so come up onto your hands and knees, feet and hips, knees apart, arms shoulder width apart. We're going to take a breath in, we're going to come into that cat stretch, so we're going to tuck that tailbone under. We're going to imagine our spine is reaching up to the ceiling, our chin is going onto the chest, that's great. We're going to breathe in, and as we breathe out, we're going to feel that tailbone going up towards the ceiling, the small of your back dipping, squeezing between the shoulder blades and looking up. We're going to breathe in. And as we breathe out, we're going to have that tailbone tucking between the legs, feeling that back arch up to the ceiling in that C shape. This is the cat part of the stretch. Chin goes onto your chest, breathing in, and as we breathe out, tailbone goes up to the ceiling, small of the back drops, pinch between the shoulder blades, look up. My arms and my legs are not moving. This is a spine flexibility exercise. Listening to your body and moving as comfortable through this amazing cat-cow stretch, trying to get every part of your body moving as you do this, relaxing the toes, relaxing the hands, just coming into this position. We're going to do one more round. We're going to just gently allow that tailbone to come up, looking all the way up. They call this the cow part of the stretch, and we're going to come up and finish off with a cat stretch. Tailbone's going to tuck under. We're going to just gently arch up. From here, we're going to go into threading the needles. So staying in this box position, we're going to breathe in. As we breathe out, the back of our hand is going to stay low to the floor, and we're going to stretch and we're going to reach away. We're going to breathe in, and as we come up, we're going to imagine that we're stretching all the way up to the ceiling. And then we're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe out, we're going to just gently come towards this side. We're going to breathe in, we're going to come back, we're going to breathe out, we're going to just open up. You're going to open up as far as you naturally feel comfortable to go. We're going to breathe in, we're going to come back. We're going to breathe out, we're going to change sides. So just imagine that back of the hands is stretching out on the floor. We're going to breathe in. We're going to breathe out just as far as you feel comfortable, seeing if you can turn that head at the same time. We're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe out, and we're going to thread away. Maybe that elbow bends so you're lowering a little bit more to the mat. That's absolutely fine. We're going to breathe in, and we're going to twist, and we're going to breathe out. We're going to do one more. As I said, if you suddenly feel that you're getting lower to the mat as you do this, that is absolutely fine. It's another variation. We're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe out, we're going to stretch all the way up. We're going to do one more. We're going to breathe in, we're going to breathe out, we're going to stretch away from this lovely mid-back stretch, and we're going to just open up to the sky. Now from here, let's finish off coming into child's pose. You're going to imagine that your knees are bending, so you're going to sit back towards your bottom. Now you may not find your bottom touches your heels, and that's completely fine. Level one, you're resting your hands like a little fist, and your head can rest on your hands. If you feel a little bit more supple, you can have your elbows bent and you can rest your head down onto the mat. And if it feels very comfortable, just walk your hands slightly further away and you get a bit more of a chest stretch. We're going to stay in this position, and you're going to really focus on softening through the upper back. Just breathing in and out in this position. Just trying to relax those fingers. Breathing in and out, using that breath to stretch those ribs. So breathing in, imagine that chest is filling up with air, stretching those ribs. Breathing out. Breathing in, and then breathing out. Let's do one more round. Breathing in, breathing breathing out, and then come back up onto your hands and knees, just releasing that head and neck, and hopefully your back feels a little bit more supple, and feel free to have a look at some of the other stretching videos as well.